Hello, Create TV family. My name is Michael Loayza. I'm a filmmaker and sometimes chef. And yes, I'm wearing a suit today just for you for this special occasion because I love you guys so much and I'm so excited to cook for you today, making a dish with less than 6 ingredients. This dish is not only going to satisfy your palate and feed your whole entire family and make them beg for more, it's going to be incredibly nutritionally dense and healthy. And that's the beauty of today. So let's get started. I'm super excited. Thank you again. This dish that we're gonna make, it's a spaghetti squash in a maple syrup butter sauce with some crispy chorizo and some scallions. So right now we have our spaghetti squash. Cut this in half. So as you can see, we took out our seeds. We're gonna put everything into the oven, 375 degrees. So this is a dry chorizo. We're gonna roast them for about 40 minutes. And then after this is all done, I'm gonna show you how to prepare your dish. So now the magic happens. I'm just cutting up some scallions for our garnish and for flavor, of course, because scallions hold a whole bunch of flavor. I can't resist to not taste this before this dish is finished. So I'm gonna try this crispy chorizo. I can't even articulate what's going on in my mouth right now. All right, back to what we were doing. I'm gonna scoop out the spaghetti squash right into the pan. A couple tablespoons of butter, salt, maple syrup, 2 tablespoons. How good does it smell? You tell me. This is mouth-watering, for real. Just let it rain. Wherever it falls, it falls. Me telling you how it tastes, it just doesn't do it justice. The sweetness of the spaghetti squash and the maple syrup together, the crunchiness, the pepitas, the saltiness and crunchiness of the chorizo, you gotta make it. Make it for your family, make it for your friends, make it for yourself, treat yourself, because this was easy. Enjoy life, cook good, eat good food. Spread love and kindness. Thank you again so much for watching me. Again, Michael Loayza here, filmmaker and sometimes chef. Have a beautiful rest of your evening, day, night, whenever you're watching this. Peace and love to you. Thank you.